Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make zucchini fritters. It's a meal from the Greek cuisine. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. Half kilo of zucchini cleaned from both sides, 200 grams of feta cheese, 1 bunch of basil, 1/3 of bunch of dill, 1 bunch of green mint, and 2 scallions. The mint we're gonna use only the leaves, and the scallions we're gonna use the green part. 2 eggs, 100 grams of white flour, some olive oil, lemon zest of 1 lemon, 1 spoon of cumin, ground cumin, 1 spoon of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And for the dip we're gonna use 200 grams of natural plain yogurt, 1 spoon of honey, and a little bit of cumin and salt. My friends, these are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our fritter. First, let's chop the scallions, the mint, the basil, and the dill, like you see in the video. Secondly, we're gonna grate the zucchini over a strainer using the large blades of the grater. After you're done, squeeze the zucchini in your hands to release the water from it. Try to take out the maximum of water from the zucchini. After you're done, put it in a bowl. Add over it the scallion, the mint, the basil, and the dill. Then add the lime zest over it. Also the cumin and the salt. Crumple the feta cheese. And finally add the eggs. Mix all well. Then add the flour. Mix together and our fritter is ready to be fried. In a frying pan over the stove over medium heat, put some olive oil, wait until it's heated, then add the mixture that we made. Add it with spoon, like you see in the video. It's up to you the size or the look of the fritter. You can make small ones or big once. And let it fry from both sides. During that, let's do our dip. Over the yogurt, add the honey, some cumin and salt. Mix all together and our dip is ready. Take the fritters out of the frying pan, put it over a towel to absorb the oil, and that's it. Our CUISINE fritters are ready. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.